Hello and welcome back to Wrexham Volkswagen. My name is Shannon and today I'm excited to give you a tour of this Volkswagen Golf R line. The 2-litre diesel DSG is finished in a lovely pure white paint and has covered over 4,000 miles from new. Got your lovely 18-inch Sebring alloy wheels. The car also comes with electrically foldable wing mirrors. Got the R line detailing on the side. It's got your rear tinted glass. An electric sliding panoramic sunroof, perfect for the upcoming weather. Just take you into the boot so you can see how much space we've got. So we've got plenty of space in the boot for the size of the car. And then you've got your spare wheel in here too, so it's always nice to know you're covered in case you're out on a journey. Got a close-up of your sunroof. Now moving on to the back interior, it's been finished off with a lovely black Titan cloth material. It's really amazing condition, plenty of room for any children or friends travelling with you. So we'll jump in, I'll show you some of the features on the inside. So we've got your touchscreen display including your DAB digital radio. For your music needs, you adjust the volume here. Got Car App Connect to connect your smartphone. Got a nice clear sat nav, it's easier for you when you're on the road. Got your 2-zone climate control to keep you and your passenger happy. Got your DSG gearbox with electronic brake and auto hold. Got some handy cup holders. We also have a storage armrest. Got the lovely R detailing on the seats. Let's give you an overview of the dash. This car also has parking sensors to help you park your new car. Got your multifunctional steering wheel with the R logo. Your headlights. And we also have your electric front and rear windows. And I'll just show you the electric panoramic glass sunroof with the integrated roller blind. And then we have the SOS in case of any emergencies. If you would like to hear any more information on the car, then please give us a call. Thank you for watching.